Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can accept gifts from your friends on Steam. First, go to your Steam app. Then click on your username and go to inventory. Here you can see I have 0 items in my inventory. If someone has sent you a gift, this will show here. And there are two options available, accept or decline. You can accept your friend gift by clicking on accept, and then you can click on this arrow and click on view gift history, and here you can see the history of all the gifts you have received from your friends. And this is how you can receive gifts from your friends on Steam. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.